Every day, you wake up, you eat, you work, you sleep.
But can you say all of this in English?
Today, you will learn 100 sentences about daily life.
Hello, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Welcome to English Cast Duo.
Today we practice daily routine, English.
100 sentences
Simple, slow, clear.
for A1 and B1 level learners.
We will go through 5 parts.
Part 1, morning routine.
Part 2, at work or school.
Part 3, lunchtime.
Part 4, evening routine.
Part 5, before bed.
Listen to each sentence carefully.
Then repeat it out loud.
Say it slowly, say it clearly.
Are you ready?
Let's start your day in English.
Part 1, morning routine.
Every morning, you do the same things.
Let's learn how to say them in English.
Listen to each sentence, then repeat it.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
My alarm goes off every morning.
I turn off my alarm.
I get out of bed.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I make my bed.
Great job. Let's keep going.
I go to the kitchen.
I make breakfast.
I eat a piece of bread.
I drink a cup of coffee.
I drink a glass of water.
I check my phone.
I pack my bag.
I put on my shoes.
I leave the house.
I am ready for the day.
Wonderful. Part 1 is finished.
Now let's go to work. Part 2.
Part 2, at work or school.
You are at work. Or maybe at school.
These sentences will help you through your day.
Listen and repeat.
I arrive at work at 9 o'clock.
I say good morning to my colleagues.
I sit down at my desk.
I turn on my computer.
I check my emails.
I have a meeting at 10 o'clock.
I write a report.
I talk to my manager.
I finish a project.
I take a short break.
You are doing so well. Let's continue.
I drink some water.
I answer the phone.
I send an email to my colleague.
I go to the meeting room.
I write notes in the meeting.
I help a customer.
I make a phone call.
I print some documents.
I organize my desk.
It is almost lunchtime.
Excellent. 2 parts done. Part 3. Lunchtime.
It is the middle of the day.
Time to eat, rest, and relax a little.
Listen to each sentence, then repeat.
It is 12 o'clock.
I am hungry.
I go to the cafeteria.
I buy a sandwich.
I sit with my colleagues.
We talk about our day.
I eat my lunch slowly.
I drink some juice.
The food is very good today.
I feel better now.
You are halfway there. Amazing work.
I take a walk outside.
The weather is nice today.
I call a friend on my break.
I listen to some music.
I sit in the sun for a few minutes.
My break is over.
I go back to my desk.
I drink another cup of coffee.
I start working again.
The afternoon goes by quickly.
Fantastic. Lunchtime is over.
Now let's go home. Part 4.
Part 4, Evening Routine.
The workday is over. You are home now.
These sentences are about your evening.
Listen and repeat.
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
I take the bus home.
I arrive home at 6 o'clock.
I take off my shoes.
I change into comfortable clothes.
I sit on the sofa.
I watch the news on television.
I cook dinner.
I make pasta with vegetables.
I set the table.
You are almost there. Keep going.
I eat dinner with my family.
We talk about our day.
I help wash the dishes.
I put the dishes away.
I call my mother.
I read a book.
I watch a movie.
I help my children with their homework.
I take a shower in the evening.
I feel tired but happy.
Only 20 sentences left. You can do it. Part 5. Before bed.
The day is almost over.
These last sentences are about the end of your day.
It is 9 o'clock at night.
I turn off the television.
I lock the front door.
I turn off the lights.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth again.
I wash my face.
I put on my pajamas.
I get into bed.
I read a few pages of my book.
I turn off the light.
I close my eyes.
I think about my day.
Today was a good day.
I am grateful for this day.
Tomorrow will be a new day.
I set my alarm for tomorrow.
I say good night to my family.
I feel peaceful and calm.
Every day is a gift.
100 sentences. You did it.
You practiced English for your whole day.
Morning, work, lunch, evening, bedtime.
You can talk about all of it in English now.
Practice again tomorrow.
The more you repeat, the more confident you become.
Tell us in the comments.
What time do you wake up every morning?
Write your answer in English below. We want to read it.
If this video helped you, please share it.
Share it with a friend who is learning English.
And subscribe to English Cast Duo.
New videos every week.
I'm Alex.
I'm Mia.
See you next time.